Hello everyone and welcome back to Fortnite events. So today I'm gonna show you step by step how to reach this result to make animated character in Fortnite. So now let's talk about animation. We will done all the animation through this website. It's called Mixamo, and to get animation you simply can choose one of these characters, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna upload our own character through here. And then we go to animation and we can choose any of these animation. You have too many animation. You can go to dances. You will find tons of these animation into this website, which is awesome. Some of these animation already is animation in Fortnite. And like simply we're gonna do this animation but on our character. So the first thing we're gonna do is pressing upload a character. And as you can see, it asks for two files, either FBX or OBJ. FBX, you can upload it directly and it works perfectly fine. OBJ files, I don't recommend uploading OBJ files on this website because it will be a messed up. Once you get it to here, it will not be working. So if you find a file like this one and it's actually OBJ file, in that case, we're gonna convert it to the other one, FBX first, then we upload it to this website. And to do that, you need to get a program. It's called Blender. You can download it from Google. Just search for Blender and download the final version. And once you are inside the Blender, simply you will just delete everything. Just make sure that there is nothing here. And now we're gonna make import and we will get this OBJ file. Okay, so we're gonna press on that. And let's go to the file we have downloaded. Just let me delete the previous one. Now you're gonna extract this file to here and make sure to go to sources and extract it again because you will find 2-zip file inside. Okay, now go back to Blender. And I think I put it in downloads, right? Documents, downloads, yes, compressed, yes, sources, and just load both of these files. Just press import. Okay, and as you can see, this is the character inside. In case of the character is too big or too small, you can scale them from here. But since the character is already fine, I see it as a fine object, so you don't really need to scale it. By the way, in case if you're gonna scale it, make sure you scale all the direction at the same size. Like let's say I'm gonna put it to 10 here, so I need to put it 10 here as well. So I need to put it 10 here as well. So it will be super big. Let's back to original size. This is just in case if I wanted to scale the character, just in case if it was too big or too small. Then after this, I will export character from here. Again, I need the FBX file this time. Okay, make sure it's FBX. And just go to desktop and save it as Rabi test. Then export, press export. Then now after this you will go to this website again. You just need to select a character, go to desktop and search for Rabi test and double click and wait for this character to be uploaded. And once the character is uploaded on this website, what you're gonna do is pressing next. Then you will have these. Just make it just like this exact picture. Okay, so you can make the movement. So make this one on the mouse. Make these two here. Then these two here. Just try to make it perfect symmetry. Yeah. Okay. Then make these two here on the knees. Then make this one in the center. Okay. After doing that, you simply press next. Now our character is ready, and as you can see, it's animated. And just press next. Now, what you're gonna do is like choose any of these dances to make it like, let me test any of these dances. Let me dance this one. By the way, you can also edit these dances from here, like this one. You can edit the head and overdrive, but I don't really like editing, so I just gonna leave it like that. And simply after this, I'm gonna remove the dance so I can actually download the character itself. I'm gonna download the character and make sure it's fbx binary.fbx and this one at tpose, okay? Then press download. The character is Rabi test is downloading now. Then after this, I will make any type of animation. As I said, which animation we choose? I don't remember. Yeah, it was this one. So what I'm gonna do next is simply pressing on download again, but this time I'm gonna download the animation, not the character. This time it will make a different settings. This time I'll make it 60 FPS. This one, it must be without skin, okay? And again, binary FBX. So I'm gonna just press download. And after downloading both the character or the skeleton of the character, then the animation, simply I will go back to the Unreal Engine. So this is our program. Simply I will press here and I will make a new folder for that character. Let me make a new folder so it doesn't become messy. I call it Rabi test. Then I will double click on that. Then I will import the character from here. I'm gonna press import. Then I will go to where I got these two. So this is the Rabi test. I'm gonna import it first. Just make it default, don't change anything, and import all. Okay. So if you are lucky like this, the character is important with all the texture without any problem. If it messes up something and the material wasn't correctly here in the character, you need to watch my previous video on how to insert these texture inside the material. Also, if you want to change the color of anything here, you can actually get this one in Photoshop and edit it so you can actually make a character different color. Anyways, I'm gonna explain that in a different video. For now, we have the character. I'm gonna delete it. Now, I already imported the character, but I didn't import the animation. Now, to import the animation, again, I'm gonna press import. Then this is the character, this is the animation. I'm just gonna delete the others because it's just making... I was actually animating other characters. Anyways, this is the character and this is the animation. Now I will hip hop dance. I will just import it. Again, it will tell me that this is the skeleton that the animation will be attached to. If I remove the skeleton, I will not be able to import it because, the animation needs a skeleton to be imported to. So I'm gonna press the skeleton, then I will import the animation. We need some time before the animation actually imported. We're gonna wait. Now, guys, after importing the animation, you will see it here. Double click on that animation, and as you can see, this is the animation we got from the website. By the way, you can add as many as you want from animation. So you can go again to the website and choose any other animation at the same time. You don't really need to import the character anymore. You just need to download the new animation. So let's say I'm gonna get this animation. I'm gonna press download. Without skin, 60 FPS at the same settings. I'm gonna press download and add the other animation as well. Then again, I will go back to here. Then I will import the new animation I just got. Pressing import all, you don't do anything extra. Now, guys, we have two animations. Like you see, this one is the hip hop dance. This is the other dance. We're gonna just drag this dance and put it here. And we also can drag the other one and put it here. Of course, if you watched my previous video, you know how to scale this character just to make it bigger or smaller. And okay, for some reason, when I select the bottom, I just make it bigger or smaller. It shouldn't do that, but anyways, just move it into any direction. And yeah, just make sure it hits the ground. And now we're gonna start the session so we can see these characters into the game and see how it looks inside the Fortnite. And once the game is launched, you will see this result. Of course, this result in only on a Fortnite character. By the way, you can change the character and get any other character from other games. And also, I will try to make later how to make a custom animation by the program, so you don't really need to get the animation from the website. You can do your own animation into any character in Fortnite. So make sure guys to subscribe if you like this content and leave a like. And if you want to support me at any time, just use my code, which is GamerHacks. It will appear on the screen. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.